Okay, let me paste the code of Karthik, the same program I am going to copy. But before going to that, I will create a program. Let me see, otherwise I will directly copy this particular code. Same code I will copy. Till now, this code I will copy. And right click on your project explorer. Go to the new class. My class name is swap test. Click on finish. Now I get a program. Let me go for main. This press Ctrl Shift, press enter. Automatically main method comes. Nikita, yes, your program is also right. You use the third variable. So let me go for first third variable a, b, c. C is the temporary variable. I asked the end user to enter the first number and second number. Otherwise, for your understanding, enter a, enter b. Now the logic what Nikita written, the same logic I am going to write. Before swapping and after swapping you must print. So I am removing this one. Sysso, Control Shift, press enter. First is before swapping. Suresh, your program is also right. You use the third variable. Before swapping, a equals to a value I am printing plus a, and once again plus end is the string, and b equals to, I am going to print equals to also plus b value. Okay, so this is the printing of system.out.println. Now here the logic what Nikita written, Suresh written, the same logic I will write, but they are taking temp variable. I will take the c variable. So first and foremost thing, c equals to a, that means a value will be stored in c. Now b equals to a, whatever a value will be there, that will be assigned. Sorry, a equals to b. That means whatever b value will be there, that will go to a, and then b equals to c. Whatever c value will be there, that is going to assign to b. So once again, after swapping I am printing the same thing after swapping. Not before swapping, I will print after swapping. After swapping a and b values. Save it. Now right click. I will explain also. Let me analyze and explain. Run as Java application. So enter a 34 and b is 56. Before swapping, a is 34 and b is 56. After swapping, a is 56 and b is 34. Okay, so using the third variable we done. How it is? Let me go for any tool. I will use a tool to explain this particular program. I will use some tool how to write this. Sorry, how to execute this particular program. I have two variables: a variable, b variable, and c variable. I have three variables. So let me write. This is a variable, and this is b variable, and this is c variable. Now enter a value. So I will enter some value that is stored in a. I will enter something like 3. So enter b value will be stored here, sc.nextInt. I will enter some value 2. Now first I assigned A to C. That means A value is moving to C, so C value becomes 3. So this statement done. A equals to B, that means whatever B value is there, that is assigned to A. That means B is assigned to A. This is assignment operator. B is assigned to A. So A value will gone and B value is come to A. And now this statement is done. B is assigned to A. B was assigned to A. Now C is going to assign to whom? To B. That means B value will go and C will come here. That means C value is 3. 3 is come here. Okay, so what is the values? Before swapping I print AB values, that gives 2 and 3. After swapping the values becomes, sorry, first swapping 3 2, now it becomes 2 3. So this is the process. After swapping, once again we displayed the A and B values. Okay, so this is the how we run the swap method, how we are going to execute a swap method. Okay, students, you understand? Students, you understand? Yes. Okay. Okay, students. So now without so many interviewers, they will ask without using third variable. That means please remove the third variable like C. How to write a logic? So the logic that was written by Kishore, sorry, Raj, who is the person? Karthik, sorry. Karthik written the logic. Karthik was written the logic. The same logic I will put. The logic is A equals to A plus B and B equals to A minus B and A equals to A minus B is the logic. This is the logic. Now I am taking out the third variable, save the program. So here save the program, run file, right click and run file. Now it will ask some numbers, enter A 23, enter B 45. Before swapping A value is 23, B value 45. After swapping A value 45 and B value 23. That was clearly seen in your output window. Now see here how can this particular program works. So I am going to take the same program. I am going to take two variables, A variable and B variable. So take A and B. So I am entering A value, for example 22 I entered in A memory, and B memory I entered 33. Now before swapping A and B values, A value is 22 will be displayed and B value is 33 will be displayed. So now this is the logic. First statement, A equals to A plus B. That means we are assigning A plus B to A. What is the A memory? 22. What is the B memory? 33. 22 plus 33 is 55. 55 is assigned to A. That means 22 will gone and 55 will come into the A memory. 55 will come in the A memory. Next, B equals to A minus B. That means now what is the values of A? A is 55 and B is 33. 55 minus 33 is 22. I assign to whom? B. That means B becomes 22. Now A equals to A minus B. That means I am assigning to A what? A minus B means 55 minus 22. 55 minus 22 is 33. 33 is assigned to whom? A. That means 55 gone, 33 come in the A memory. So now after swapping it becomes 33 22. After swapping we get 33 22. Before swapping 22 33. Okay. So this is the program without using third variable that is asked in so many interviews. You have to write the code of the Java. Okay. Next thing is we understand basic programs. Write me a program, write a Java program for to find the area of a circle using the same scenario. Students, please write a program, simple programs only I am telling. Write a Java program to find area of a circle. I will give you 5 minutes of the time. Please write and paste in the chat box. Okay, Karthik is written another logic also. Okay, can practice the same logic using different